Chapter 14, the benefits of starting your business from home. There is no reason why your business should not be run from your home, provided that you comply with relevant rules and regulations. In some instances, working from home can affect your mortgage, your home insurance and council tax, among other things. There are also health and safety issues to be aware of, so it is advisable that you check these points out with your mortgage lender. To put your business on a proper footing with HM Revenue and Customs and other authorities, you need to make sure that it has the right legal structure. It's worth thinking carefully about which structure best suits the way you do business. There are several structures to choose from depending on your situation. If you are not sure which legal structure would best suit your business, it's a good idea to get advice from an accountant or solicitor. Businesses providing permanent workers to clients are regulated by the usual business startup rules. They must also comply with two specific pieces of legislation: the Employment Agencies Act 1973 and the Conduct of Employment Agencies and Employment Business Regulations 2003, as amended by the Conduct of Employment Agencies and Employment Businesses Amendments, and that's Regulation 2007. The difference between an employment agency and an employment business is defined in these acts. An employment agency finds work for work seekers who are employed and paid by employers. This is often referred to as permanent employment, as once the worker has been taken on, they are employees of the company they are working for. An employment business employs or engages a work seeker under a contract who in turn works under the supervision of another person. This is known as a temporary agency work or temping. The workers under these arrangements will be paid by the agency rather than by the company they are supplied to. Where a business engages in both activities, then it is classed as both an employment agency and an employment business.